come with Miss Donna. I know Dawn has already talked to you
yeah.
about everything. So we're going to go ahead and get
Okay.
started.
Is she gonna wheel in the bed or gonna walk? Okay. Okay. How are we gonna do it? Okay. Okay. Aw, okay.
Come here. Come see me. Let's go see what color balloon we've got to blow up.
All right. Hold on. You have to sit. You have to sit.
Sweetie.
Give Mommy a kiss. I love you.
Okay. And they'll come for Lainey in just a few minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Watch Lainey. Love you. You were right.
I had Lainey's pink juice.
Okay.
That's what Lexi took? Yeah. Do you remember?